Today, we are going to study the chapter Reproductive Health Problems and Strategies. Reproductive health means complete physical, mental, and social well being related to reproduction. India was one of the first countries to start national programs to improve reproductive health. These programs are now called reproductive and child healthcare programs. The main aim of these programs is to spread correct information about reproduction, adolescence, hygiene, safe sex, and diseases like AIDS, and to provide medical support to the people. Education plays a very important role. Parents, teachers, friends, and the media help in spreading awareness. Sex education in schools is important to remove myths and misunderstandings among students. Medical facilities are provided for pregnancy, delivery, infertility, contraception, and sexually transmitted diseases. Amniocentesis is legally allowed only to detect genetic disorders and not for sex determination. India has also developed its own oral contraceptive pill called Saheli. It is a once a week pill with very few side effects. Due to better health facilities, the population has increased rapidly. This creates pressure on food, shelter, and other resources. Therefore, population stabilization is very important. Small family norms, increase in marriageable age, and use of contraceptives help in controlling population growth. An ideal contraceptive should be safe, easy to use, effective, and reversible. Natural methods include periodic abstinence, withdrawal, and lactational amenorrhea. These methods do not use any medicines but have higher chances of failure. Barrier methods such as condoms, diaphragms, and cervical caps prevent sperms from reaching the ovum. Condoms also protect against sexually transmitted infections. Intrauterine devices are inserted into the uterus. They prevent fertilization and implantation and are widely used in India. Oral pills, injections, and implants work mainly by stopping ovulation and altering the uterus and cervical mucus. Emergency contraceptives can be used within 72 hours after coitus. Sterilization methods such as vasectomy and tubectomy are permanent methods of contraception. Medical termination of pregnancy is the legal termination of pregnancy before full term. It is safer in the early stages of pregnancy. Sexually transmitted infections spread mainly through sexual contact. If not treated, they may lead to serious complications such as infertility and cancer. Prevention is possible by safe sexual practices, use of condoms, and early medical consultation. Infertility is the inability to conceive even after regular unprotected intercourse. Modern medical science offers assisted reproductive technologies such as IVF, GIFT, ICSI, and artificial insemination. Although these techniques help many couples, they are expensive and limited. Adoption remains a socially meaningful alternative.